Okay, grade 11s, let's try this one. Solve for x. So solving for x, guys, we need to solve for x. What I'm going to do on this problem, first thing first, I'm going to remind you guys the laws of exponents. Do you still remember the law that says when we have the same base, we multiply the exponent? The base are the same, we add the exponent, we add the exponent. So I'm going to take this law and reverse on this problem. So basically I can write this thing as 2 to the x multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Then I'll have 2 to the x, it's equal to 20. So I did reverse of that exponent. So now I see that I have a common factor. So I have a common factor of what? Common factor of 2 to the x. Inside a bracket, I'll be left with 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 1. Right. So now this is what I have so far. I know that in the bracket, if I work that out, is 2 to the power 2, which is 4. This will give me 4 plus 1, which is 5. So I'm just going to write the bracket as 5. This is equal to 20. Then we can divide both sides by 5 because we are trying to isolate what? We are trying to isolate x. So I have 2 to the x is equal to 20 divided by 5. This will give us 4. So now remember that if the base are the same, we can equate the exponent. So m is equal to n. So now my aim is to make sure that the base are the same by changing this and write it as 2 to the power 2. Right. So you can also do that on your question page, on your calculator. Say 4 equals sign shift fact. Then it will tell you to write 4 as 2 to the power 4. Therefore, the base are the same. I can now equate the exponent. X is equals to 2.